Wow, this one is a very nice goose. See, very nice color. Wow, friends, we have got another trolley, ice cream trolley. Wow, playing a drum. See, yellow. Welcome back, friends, to our brand new video. Wow, this is very sunny and green environment here. See, I am in the middle of jungle. There are lots of clumps of bushes around me. See, and what I have got for you, friends. Wow, see, this bucket is full of toys, and I am going to hide all these brand new toys inside these green vegetations. Okay, so let's hide them one by one. So the first one is, wow, this one is ice cream trolley. Very nice looking, nice color. See, all around this trolley there are many ice creams in various sizes and in various color. These ice creams are looking so yummy and delicious. See, there is a little umbrella, red umbrella on top of this, and this trolley is in pink and white color, looking very nice. It has 4 little wheels under it, so let's hide it inside the jungle. Okay, so I'm going to hide it here so no one can notice. Okay, wow, so friends, see, no one can notice now easily. So let's hide the next one, friends. What is the next one? Wow, this one is a very nice goose. See, very nice color, red and yellow color combination, a big balls on top of these 3 little wheels and a switch at the back too. Wow, this is looking at us, very nice. So let's hide it inside the jungle. Or I can hide it here. I think this is a very nice place to hide this. Wow, friends, see, no one can notice it very easily. Okay, so let's hide the next one, friends. Wow, this one is a very nice looking police bike. See, this hero looking police bike is wearing a nice sunglass, black sunglass, and this bike is in pink and blue color. Wow, friends, see, there is a signal light at the back of this policeman, and this policeman is very nice and handsome. So I think this bike can run very fast, and I'm going to hide it inside the jungle where, wow, I'm hiding it here so no one can notice. Wow, friends, no one can notice it. So let's hide the next one, friends. What is the next one? Wow, this one is a very nice horse. Wow, see, very nice looking, red and yellow color, 4 legs, nice little tail at the back, a little switch. It can run very fast. This innocent looking horse is very nice. So let's hide it inside the jungle. Where I can hide it, friends? Wow, I can hide it here so no one can notice. Wow, friends, this is very nice, nicely hidden. No one can notice it very easily. So let's get the next one, friends. What is the next one? Wow, friends, we have got another trolley, ice cream trolley, looking very nice. All these ice cream looking very yum delicious. They are in various color and in various shapes. See, it's white and pink and orange color combination. Let's hide it inside the jungle here. So I'm going to hide it here. Wow, friends, see, no one can see it easily. So what is the next one, friends? The next one is, wow, this one is a little mouse. Wow, playing a drum, see, yellow and white color, little red drum, playing a little red drum, and see big ears on top of its head, very nice and funny. How nice this one. I like this one very much, and I'm going to hide it inside the bushes. Where I can hide it, friends? Can you guys, can you help me out? I think I can hide it here. Very nice. Wow, friends, no one can notice. So friends, we have successfully hide all the nice and colorful toys. Okay, no one can see them very easily. So thank you for staying with us, and please stay with us for the next video. Please stay with us for the next video, so we can find them out. Okay, so stay with us for the next video. Okay, bye bye.